Hey, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we've got a fantastic 1-minute tutorial for you, where we'll be creating a gradient generator tool using JavaScript. Let's dive in. Alright, here's a quick look at the code. We have a simple HTML structure with a select menu to choose the gradient direction and color inputs. The magic happens with JavaScript. The JavaScript code generates a linear gradient based on your inputs. When you change the direction or colors, it instantly updates the gradient preview. It's all thanks to event listeners and functions. Let's see it in action. I'll change the direction, and look, the gradient follows. You can also customize it by choosing different colors. It's a handy tool for web developers. But wait, there's more. Check out this Copy Code button. It's a time saver. Click, and it copies the CSS code to your clipboard. Super practical, right? And there you have it, our gradient generator tool using JavaScript. It's quick, efficient, and a great addition to your web development toolkit.